Hey Credit Cousins, today we have a $25,000 grant available for 10 small business owners and entrepreneurs. This grant is for Tito for handmade vodka, and it's celebrating its 25th anniversary by launching the Love Tito Small Business Grant Program. This grant will provide 10 grants of $25,000 to small business owners who best demonstrate the company's value of grit, love, kindness, family, meaning, and purpose. Small businesses are eligible to apply for the Love Tito Small Business Program if they meet the following criteria. Your business must be owned by you if you're going to apply. Business owner or owners must be at least 21 years of age or older. Be based in the United States. Have been in business for at least 1 year at the time of the application launch since June 2021. Have earned less than $1 million in revenue in 2021. You must have a business bank account. Business owner or owners must not hold an interest in alcoholic beverages license or any kind, or be employed by a business that holds an alcohol license. You must not own a business in the restricted industries, and here I have a list or a screenshot of the restricted industries that they will not grant the $25,000 to. This application deadline is June 30th, 2022 at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, so you have about 11 days. Winners of the grant will be notified in July 2022. All applicants will be notified about the status of their application, whether they received the grant or not, and you will get that notification in July. The grant money will be issued to the winners in 2022, and the funds will be transferred to your verified business checking account. If you own more than one business, you're only eligible for the opportunity for just one business. If you are a sole proprietor, you can also apply for this grant. So let's get into the grant application, because there are a few things that you will need to do to apply. So the first part of the application is just asking general information about your business and if you have a business account. The second part of the application is asking about your personal information. The third part of the application is asking about your business information, such as a business name, location, websites, and social media pages. The fourth part of the application is asking a little more in depth of your business with a few questions. Question 1, please provide a brief description of your business and who your business serves. This is where you want to mention about your services or products and how it serves your community or solve a problem. Question 2, what inspired you to start your business? Now, this is where you want to mention about your background of how you got started and some obstacles or challenges you had when starting out and how you overcome them and kept going. Question 3, please describe how your business supports or is connected to the community in which you operate. Now, this is where you want to mention about how your community is involved or how you want to get more involved with your community if they're currently not. Question 4, please describe your vision for your business and what you would like to achieve. This is where you want to mention where you want to see your business grow in the next year, 3 years, and even 5 years. You can also mention how the grant will help achieve this vision for your business. Question 5, please describe how, as a business owner, you demonstrate one or more of the following Tito's company value: grit, love, kindness, family, meaning, and purpose. This is where you want to mention about where the good deeds of your business has done with the community. Perhaps you have a product or a service and it comes with a story that really impacted one of your customer lives. Question 6, if selected, how would you use a $25,000 grant to support your vision for your business? This is where you want to be specific as possible. I would even recommend creating a Google sheet of expenses and pasting that link in that box if you happen to be specific as possible. This shows that you are very organized and serious about using this grant to accelerate your business. The last part of this application is requesting your 2021 business tax returns and a front and back color copy of your business owner's government issue identification, such as a driver's license, a federal government employee ID card, a passport, etc. Also, they would like to see your business most recent business bank account along with your business bank account name, checking and routing number, and a completed and signed W-9 form in order to be eligible for this grant. If you're selected, the funds will be dispersed into your business bank account. If you like these type of videos, please leave a thumbs up. I hope this video was very helpful for you all. Let me know in the comment section if this grant is worth your time and if you would check this out. Remember, you only have about 11 days. Make sure to check out the Credit Cousin private group where we share our credit tips and tricks and data points on credit cards and loan approvals. So make sure you click the link in the pinned comments in the video description below to join. See you guys in the next one. Bye.